All right, so as you can see, folks, what I'm doing here is I put down my little footwork drill on the ground right here that looks just like that. And what this does, of course, naturally, is it allows me from open stance to move my feet. It's like fighting in a phone booth, or in our case, a telephone box. Moving in, moving across. Yeah, moving, that's it, turning, there we go, we're moving, and working on that footwork. That's right, just like you do when you're jump roping. Just like you do when you jump roping. That's right. Changing. It's amazing how you can get fit working in a phone booth. Doesn't exist anymore, does it? But anyway, you get the point. It's amazing that in this 1-2-3 system, you will get fit. Oh, you will. You will get fit. But gotta keep those feet moving, all right? We want to get those feet moving. Oh, yeah. That's right, we want to get those feet moving. That's right. And we can circle. That's it. Quarter turn. That's right.